Best of mothers, the best of rivers, best of goddesses, Saraswati. The Rigveda describes Saraswati as the best of mothers, rivers, goddesses. A beautiful woman dressed in pure white, often seated on a white lotus, which symbolized light, knowledge, and truth. She not only embodies knowledge but also the experience of the highest reality. Good morning, everyone. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to speak on the very beautiful occasion of Vasant Panchmi. According to popular belief, Goddess Saraswati was born on Vasant Panchmi. I wish you all a very blessed Vasant Panchmi. Vasant Panchmi falls on the 5th day of Magh month of Hindu calendar and marks the beginning of spring, the king of all seasons. She has remained significant as a goddess from the Vedic period through modern times of Hindu traditions. In many parts of the country, Vasant Panchami is considered as an auspicious day for kids to write their first words with their fingers. Goddess Saraswati is also known as Sharda. She is a part of the Trinity, Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. All the three forms help the trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva to create, maintain and regenerate the universe respectively. The day of Vasant Panchami is considered auspicious for students for housewarming ceremony, starting any new business or any other important work. Saraswati Puja is celebrated on the occasion of Vasant Panchami to acknowledge the value of education and arts. The festival also commemorates the ripening of agricultural fields with yellow flowers of mustard crop. As this day marks the departure of the winter season and the beginning of the spring season, may our life also turn into happy shades too. Let's worship Goddess Saraswati to attain enlightenment through knowledge and rid ourselves of lethargy, sluggishness and ignorance. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.